Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, let's go ahead and learn how to join two strings. Alright, so here we're learning how to join strings in C# programming, and let's go ahead and still have a string of name1, and let that be equal to, so let that be equal to, go ahead, let's put this string inside an array. Okay, so string of an array name1 is equal to, first of all, go ahead and put double quotation mark, and when I say this is either, then put comma, then I say hello Paul, put comma, you can write as many as you want, then you can go ahead and say today is the D-Day. Alright, press semicolon at the end of that. Alright, so you can be able to join the arrays of these numbers by going ahead to say string. You can go ahead and give it a new name. Can go ahead and give it a string me. Alright, let's say string me is equal to string dot join. Alright, string dot join, and then you can go ahead and print out the string. Let this move to the next line. Then go ahead and place semicolon and put me right in, put name1 right in there and place semicolon. Okay, so print that out, go ahead and say console dot write line, and pass in the value of me and place semicolon. Now go ahead and put console dot read key, plus semicolon at the end. Now if go ahead and run this code, let's check it out. So we can see this is Peter, Paul, hello Paul, today is the next day, today is the day. Alright, so this move to the next line, can you see that? We made it have to move to the next line, each one have to be in a single line. Can go ahead and close that, and let's just give a space in between them, okay? Go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. So we can see this is our Peter, hello Paul, and this is today's the D-Day were printed out. So another way you can be able to join string is, let's go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and create a new string and go ahead and call that string of arrays, and then we go ahead and say new array, just that is the name. I'll go ahead and put that right in, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're going to stop here, put a semicolon at the end of that, and now let's go ahead and I will show you how to join this string. And for you to do that, you go ahead and or say string, and let's go that week. String week is equal to string dot join, string dot join, and you can go ahead and put a comma and then pass in new array right in there with semicolon at the end, put a comma, and then to print that out, go ahead and say console dot write line, and then you go ahead and let's say the days of the week are. So the days of the week are. Now to print that out, go ahead and put 0, open your cross brace, 0, put a comma, and then pass in week right in there, put a semicolon. Now go ahead and run this code. It's going to print out the days of the week, so you can join this way or go ahead and join that using this. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now if you want to put a comma in between all this, you can go ahead and put a comma, and then for here put a comma for names as well. Now let's go ahead and run the code and check it out. So you can see, this is Peter. Hello Paul. Today is the D-Day, and the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and no comma. Can you see that? Alright, so that is how to join two strings in C#. I believe that is straightforward. Please put that down on your system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.